Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't find your Bluetooth accessory on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So at the start, when I have a problem with the Bluetooth gadget I'm installing in the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your tablet by holding the power button and volume down at the same time for a few seconds. Then tap on the restart. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode. How to activate pair mode in your device you will find the manual or maybe on your YouTube channel, so you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is visible for the devices. So if you still don't see it on your tablet, go to the settings, tap on the general management and tap on the reset. Then go to the network settings, tap on this button 2 times. After that, look for the device again. After that, you can also try to open the software update, choose the first option, and if you have an update, just download it and install. The last recommendation from me: check your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.